Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained seventh part of the lesson, and in that part I was telling you that after stealing Anil's money, the narrator Hari Singh reached the station in order to catch Lucknow Express. And after reaching the station, he saw that Lucknow Express was leaving the platform in a very slow speed. If he wanted to if he wanted to board the compartment of that moving train, then he would board. But he could not do this because he could not escape. He could not escape from Anil after robbing his money. He had not seen the person like Anil in his entire life. He was teaching him to read and write, and he was trying to transform the narrator Hari Singh into a gentle person. That is why after deciding to learn read and write in order to live a life of gentle and respectable person, the narrator Hari Singh went back to Anil's room. And after reaching Anil's room, he placed the bundle of notes which he had stolen under the mattress. And after placing that bundle of notes under the mattress, he slept. Now I am going to explain 8th part of the lesson. Now listen. I awoke late this morning to find that Anil had already made tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50-rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. Next morning, the narrator Hari Singh is saying that next morning he got up late. When he got up, he saw that Anil had already prepared his tea. And when Anil saw that Hari Singh got up, then he approached him carrying a 50-rupee note between his fingers. And after approaching him, he stretched his hand towards him in order to give that 50-rupee note to him. When the narrator Hari Singh saw this, then he thought that Anil came to know about the incident of previous night. I made some money yesterday. He spent, now you will be paid regularly. While Anil was going to give that 50-rupee note to the narrator, he told him that he earned some money previous day, and he also told him that he would pay him regularly. My spirit rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night rain. And after receiving note from Anil, the narrator Hari Singh was full of confidence. But he saw that the note was still wet from the night's rain. And in this way, Hari Singh knew that Anil came to know about the incident of previous night. And even after knowing that incident, Anil did not say anything to Hari Singh. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. Instead of scolding Hari Singh, Anil said that day he would start teaching him to write sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. The narrator Hari Singh is saying that he knew about everything which happened previous night, but he did not say anything. The expression of anger could not be seen on his face. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. And after that, narrator is saying that he smiled at Anil in his most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. And that smile appeared itself by itself without any effort. In this way, Anil got success. In this way, Anil got success in transforming a thief into a gentle person, because he showed a lot of interest in a thief. He knew from the first day that Hari Singh wanted to rob him, wanted to deceive him, but even after that, he did not say anything. And he ignored all his activity. While he was stealing 1 rupee daily, while purchasing groceries, Anil knew that also, but he did not say anything. While Hari Singh was stealing Anil's money, he was not sleeping, but he did not say anything, because he knew that if he did not say anything to his misdeed, then it would be possible that he would be changed. In this way, Anil got success in his mission, and he got success in transforming a thief into a gentle person. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will make you write question and answers. Thank you and have a nice day.